America East fans, I'm Chelsea Canavan, and today I'm at BU to talk to 3 women's soccer players to learn about goalkeeping and saving some penalty kicks.
We have just a strong squad all around, not just the forwards, but just building it all, starting in the back with our defense, building it up through midfield. Then when you get up top, you know that they're there, you know what they can handle.
Me and Alice work together as a team a lot, so there's never animosity or tough feelings between each other and who plays. We're really good at supporting each other, and
all our players, all our defense and keepers are great. They really have stepped up huge for us. In practice, they make us have to try really hard to score, and it gets us prepared.
Here's the real question. Do you think I can stop a penalty kick from Jess?
Oh, I don't know about that.
Do you have any confidence in me?
I got this much confidence in you.
Well, Jess has a pretty hard shot, so you have to be really quick. And you can't cross the line on a PK until they kick the ball, so your reaction has to be instant.
We've gotten the best coaching we can get. Now it's time to hop in the net and save some penalty kicks.
Hey, you were there.
I was there, though?
Just if you went the other way, you would have been there. But I know, she just went this side. Oh! Woo! Look at that. Nice save. Oh. Ouch. Okay, maybe I was wrong. How about you just do this one on your own?
Just right at it?
Yeah, just right at it. Please just duck it right down the middle. Rocket it. Yes! How's your face? It looks fine. Oh my god! Just stop injuring them.
I survived the BU penalty kick by Jess Lozinski, so stay tuned for our next adventure as we journey throughout the conference.